Okay, my Dyson, I think this is a V7. It's a great little vacuum, but the battery pack died. And a couple of cool things about this, there's a little switch here that actually turns it on. So this actually pushes something that activates the power on this side of things. So there's a little switch that is inside here, a little micro switch. And then there's also a power input for the charging circuit. So this battery has a relatively complicated charging circuit kind of built right into it. Some pretty heavy duty, custom, probably made contacts. And then these are 18650s, I think they're called. Anyway, I got a replacement shoe for it. It's a little thicker, but it takes DyWalt 20 volt XR batteries. So this when you push the button, a mechanical lever goes down the switch and then activates the battery pack. This was $20. A replacement battery is, I think, $50 or $35. I already have those types of batteries, and I've kind of standardized on them in the house, so that's the direction I went. This thing sucks.